Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. This is Soumitra Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video lecture. Students, firstly I will remind you once again that in the previous video lecture we have discussed the exercises of chapter number 2. Okay, in the previous video lectures we have all completed all the exercise which were given in the chapter number 2. Now in this particular video lectures we are going to discuss about the assignments of chapter number 2. Okay students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the word meaning and also the question answer of the chapter number 2. Okay, so let's start. Firstly I will give you some instructions how you will do all the word meaning and question answer in your CW copy. Okay, firstly students, you will write CW in your CW copy and then you will mention the date of today. Okay, and after that you will mention the chapter number. After that you will mention the name of the chapter. Okay, the name of the chapter is keeping shoes. You will mention it in your CW copy. Okay, after that you will write the word here and also the meaning of the given word in that area. Okay, so let's start from the word meaning number 1. So students, what is the meaning of grumbled? What is the meaning of grumbled? The meaning of grumbled is complained. Okay, now the second meaning is trotting briskly. What is the meaning of trotting briskly? The meaning of trotting briskly is walking quickly. Okay, the meaning of trotting briskly is walking quickly. Grumble means complaint, trotting briskly means walking quickly. Okay, now the third meaning is whisked her off. Okay, what is the meaning of whisked her off? The meaning of whisked her off is took her away suddenly. Okay, took her away suddenly. Now the fourth meaning is airy bounce. What is the meaning of airy bounce? The meaning of airy bounce is light and delicate steps. Okay, Kitty was attempting very light and delicate steps when she was dancing. Okay, now the fifth meaning is bewitched. What is the meaning of bewitched? The meaning of bewitched is under a magic spell. Okay, what is the meaning of bewitched? The meaning of bewitched is under a magic spell. Okay, यानी किसी जादू चीज़ पे कोई जादू किया हुआ हो, it means bewitched. Okay, now the sixth meaning is chipped away. What is the meaning of chipped away? The meaning of chipped away is rushed off speedily. Okay, rushed off speedily. Now the seventh word is errand girl. I have told you many times the meaning of errand girl. What is the meaning of errand girl, students? The meaning of errand girl is a girl who does small jobs for others. Okay, errand girl is a such type of a girl who does small jobs for others, जो दूसरों के छोटे छोटे कामों को करती है. Okay, now the eighth is midsummer day. What is the meaning of midsummer day? The meaning of midsummer day is, students, the midsummer day is on 24th June. Okay, it is a day which is associated with magical happening. Okay, it is a day which is associated with magical happening. Okay, now the ninth meaning is waltz. Okay, what is the meaning of waltz? The meaning of waltz is danced. Okay, the meaning of waltz means danced. Now the last meaning is like a flash. Like a flash. What is the meaning of like a flash? Like a flash means suddenly or quickly. Okay, you can use the meaning suddenly or quickly for like a flash. Okay, now students, we will revise the word meaning of the chapter. Okay, so first meaning is grumbled. What is the meaning of grumbled? Grumble means complained. Second is trotting briskly. What is the meaning of trotting briskly? The meaning of trotting briskly is walking quickly. Third is whisked her off. What is the meaning of whisked her off? The meaning of whisked her off is took her away suddenly. Okay, now the fourth is airy bounds. What is the meaning of airy bounds? The meaning of airy bound is light and delicate steps. And the fifth word is bewitched. Okay, bewitched. What is the meaning of it? The meaning of it is under a magic spell. Sixth meaning. What is the meaning of sixth? Sixth meaning is jibbed away. What is the meaning of jibbed away? The meaning of jibbed away is rushed off speedily. Okay, the meaning of jibbed away is rushed off speedily. Seventh, errand girl. What is the meaning of errand girl? The meaning of errand girl is a girl who does small job for others. Okay, errand girl is a type of a girl who does small jobs for others. Now the eighth is Midsummer Day. Midsummer Day is on 24th June and it is a day which is associated with magical happenings. Okay, it is a day which is associated with magical happening. Now the ninth word is waltzed. What is the meaning of it? The meaning of waltzed is danced. Now the tenth word is like a flash. What is the meaning of it? The meaning of like a flash is suddenly or quickly. Okay, you can use the both meaning for this word. So that is the word meaning for the chapter number 2. Now let's discuss the question answer of the given chapter. Firstly, you will write here. Question number B is, you will write question number B, answer these question in your CW copy. Okay, after that you will write your question number first. Okay, and the question number first is, what did Kitty's father ask her to do? Okay, and did Kitty complete the task willingly? I am repeating the question. What did Kitty's father ask her to do, and did Kitty complete this task willingly? So I have taught you the lesson. Okay, if you have remembered the whole story, you can easily write the answer. So what did Kitty's father ask her to do? क्या कहा था, क्या लाने के लिए कहा था किटी के फादर ने? Kitty's father asked her to get his letters. Okay, Kitty's father asked her to get his letters. And the next question is, did Kitty complete the task willingly? I have told you many times that Kitty did not complete any task willingly. It was the shoes. Okay, shoes were responsible for doing anything. So the answer of this question is no. Okay, the answer of this question is no. Kitty did not complete the task willingly. Okay, I am repeating the question. What did Kitty's father ask her to do? Did Kitty complete this task willingly? The answer is, Kitty's father asked her to get his letters. No, Kitty did not complete the task willingly. Students, that's it for today's. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. In the next video lecture, we will discuss the remaining question answer of the chapter. Till then, you will write the word meaning in your CW copy, and also you will learn the word meaning and question answer at your home. Goodbye, students.